Hi everybody, it is Miss Kim from the Vernon Area Public Library, and I am back with a quick and easy Father's Day card. This is our Thumbs Up to Dad card. So let me show you what you're going to need and let's get crafting. You're going to cut your background paper to the size that you want. Make sure it will hold your hand. Mine was 8.5 by 12. Then we're going to just fold it in half. Next comes 2 tracings of your hand, so grab a hand and a helper. Make sure your whole hand fits on the paper and you have enough wrist. For the front of your card's handprint, put your hand in the thumbs up position, keep your thumb high and open your fingers, and then trace. When you go to trace, hold down just the finger that you need to trace. Don't worry about the others, they can wiggle around all they want. Okay, grab a responsible adult to help you do the cutting. Now on to putting it together, but we're not going to start with the front. We're going to work with the inside hand first. And the reason for that is because if we had glued on the front hand, when we fold open the card to work on the inside, we could crush those little fingers. And we don't want to do that. Now we take our handprint and our glue and you get the back of that hand real good. Make sure you get those fingers nice and flat on the paper and we wait for it to dry. Here's where you decorate. Put all the words that you want to say on the inside of the card. And then we're going to fold and make sure your fingers stay attached to your card. Now on to the front of the card. This is where that thumb angle and having enough wrist really makes a difference on the front of the card. You want to have enough angle so it's straight up and in the center, and you want to have enough wrist so that it could fall off the edge of the card. Estimate where you want your hand to be, grab your glue, and glue down just the back of the hand, not the fingers. I actually do recommend waiting till this part to glue your fingertips down. Make sure you get a lot of good glue on those fingertips and hold them down for quite a bit of time. Okay, once that has had some time to cure, we are ready to decorate the outside of the card. But wait, this is what I learned in doing this. Test your markers on a scrap piece of the same paper to make sure that your marker is not bleeding through to the back side of your page. Let me show you my card. See this writing? I didn't know it, but on the other side it was leaking through. You can see a little bit down here. I covered it by using some of these hearts. You can't even tell, and it actually looks very cute. So put your writing on the front, decorate it however you like, and you are done. And there you have it. Your dad is going to love your card, hands down. Send us a photo if you can, and happy Father's Day to all the dads out there from the Vernon Area Public Library. Until next time, peace out.